Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots. Today I am going to show you how to do a no-sew method to put your signatures into your journals. Your handmade signatures into your handmade journals. We're doing this no-sew, and what I mean by that is our signatures are not sewn together. Everything is separate. There's no sewing into your signatures, and then there's no sewing your signature into your journal. So everything is removable. If you want to remove it, say I want to add a page into here, I can. Say I want to remove a page, I can. If I want to put something big and not glue it, I can. You have so many different options, so stay tuned for the next 3 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab some twine or string or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna start here in the back about the length of the book. We're gonna take your first signature and open it up. We're gonna wrap the twine around that and then back around the back of the book. Okay. Now we're going to take our next one. We're going to do the same thing. Wrap down and then back around to the top. And last, down. And then back over. Okay, so now we have our twine, and we want to make sure that everything is nice and tight. Everything is together. And now what we're gonna do is take each side of our twine and go underneath the other, but not all the way through. So it's gonna look kind of like this. And then this side is gonna do the same thing, just like that. And now you're gonna grab, like your ends are gonna go in between. So we're gonna pull up here, and then this one is gonna pull up through here. And so now when we tie it, all of our strings and strands stay together right here in the middle. And I'm just going to put a bow. I don't need a knot, just in case I feel like I want to change something inside of here. But there we go. This is the first completed portion. And each, if I wanted to like add something into here, say for example, I want this short piece of paper. The coolest part about this is I can add it wherever I want. So I can just slide it right in wherever, and then see it comes right out the other side. And now it's just an addition. See that?